Well, hello there guys. This is the Apple Watch titanium Milanese loop adjustable dual release buckle. And today I will unbox this and put it on my watch. I always wanted a metal bracelet for my Apple Watch. However, they were too expensive, so I didn't buy one, but recently Amazon discounted them and I snagged one. Actually, this was the cheapest one and it's an L size. We'll see how it goes because my wrist is for M size actually, but I hope that I get fat and I can wear it. Otherwise I will have to return it, but we'll see how it goes. We peel this off and we open inside to see what's happening. There is the metal band housed in this paper, really nice paper, and there is something written on below the paper. I don't know, it's Apple Inc. Cupertino, California. And let's see the box. Actually, there are some instructions how you will operate this buckle, because of course you need instructions, and they are just sticked to this cardboard packaging. And there is a minimum leaflet with not much written on it. For instruction safety information, see Apple Watch user guide at apple.com. Yeah, really minimalistic approach to packaging, which I like. Less waste, but how will remove it from here? I don't wanna damage the packaging if I have to return it. I prefer it. Oh, you cannot do it without damaging the packaging. There is this paper that needs to be peeled off and torn, so there is no way to not damage the packaging. And there is this one here, you can see this little thing that I don't know what it is, but yeah. And this is the bracelet. It's a bit big. Yeah, maybe it was a mistake to get the L size. And you can pull this to adjust it for size. There is this goes, how this goes, you can unclap this one and it can go in like that, or you can unclap it again, and it's really light, and it can go like that. I wondered why they didn't use magnetic adjustment, but yeah, this is a titanium metal band, so you shouldn't use magnets with it. And this is the original Apple Watch Ultra that I'm using for almost 3 years now. So I don't know which way should we go, from this way to this way. Yeah, probably let's put it like that. And the moment of truth, no, it's on my right hand. Each week I change the hands that I'm using with my Apple Watch Ultra, because actually it may work. Yeah, it may work, but it's a bit of a hassle to fasten it, so I have to release it. And if I see later, let's see it like that. It's really light and it's very pretty. It's this color is exactly for this Apple Watch, because there is a newer version of this band that you can buy online, and the newer version, it's a bit hard to strap it. Maybe I should should not do it like that. Maybe I should unclip this one and leave it loose. And then I should put this one here, yes. And I should loosen it like that. And then I will have to tighten it. Oh, it's a nightmare. I don't know. I don't know how to put this one, guys. Let me examine it off camera and then I will tune in to see. Yeah, we had to read the instructions. So the best way to do it is to just put the watch with the unfastened bracelet or band, whatever, and then you have to measure where it should go, and you then open this one, adjust to the desired place, strap it again, and after that you tuck it in, and voila, it's ready. And you can fine-tune it, you can finally adjust it by unclapping this, and I will fasten it a bit more, and yes, and like that. And see, I don't really want to be too tight, but it's a bit loose now, but it has a lot of place if I get skinnier or if I get fatter. So yeah, this one measured from 180 or 185 millimeters wrists, but my wrist is 170. So 170, yes, 170. So be sure that you can use it even with a smaller wrist. There is plenty of space, and the most important thing is when you lay it on the table, if you are writing code or doing something on your computer, to be comfortable. We'll see how this goes on my MacBook, but yeah, to unclip it, you just pull these two to the bottom and it unclaps. And then if you want to again adjust it, you open this thing here and adjust it slightly up and down, and then tuck it in. So far it's a pretty nice material. This cost around, I don't know, maybe more than 200 euro, but I bought it for 160 euro from Amazon Deutschland. Yeah, and it's wunderbar. Yeah. Maybe I will make a follow-up video with how it goes with this band after 2 or 3 days. So make sure to be subscribed to my channel, and yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.